And now let's do Ho'oponopono to release all your guilt. First, we'll do basic Ho'oponopono and then we'll proceed with advanced Ho'oponopono. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. And now say, I take 100% responsibility for all my guilt feeling. Whatever guilt I am feeling right now, I have created you. You are not created by anyone else or any situation, my guilt. As I have created you, so now I can release you too. It's my wish for how long I want to feel you and when I want to release you. Whenever I'll feel that I don't want to feel you anymore, I will release you. Dear guilt, I am feeling you because it's my emotional pattern. In my life, I love to feel guilt. Whenever I am not getting something, I feel guilt. Whenever I'm doing something which I feel is not right, I'm feeling guilty. Whenever even I get something more than I feel that I deserved, I started feeling guilty. Whenever someone else is getting more than me, I may feel guilt that time also. So guilt is my emotional pattern. It's okay. I accept it. And I love myself, even though I feel this guilt again and again, because life is balanced. I cannot feel all the time all the positive emotions. Life is all about accepting my positive emotions and my negative emotions. But do not think that because of someone else or some other situations, I am feeling that. I am feeling guilty because I want to feel guilty, because I love to feel guilty. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and now remember all those moments in the past where you felt guilty. Identify when are the times when you felt guilty. When are the times when you felt guilty of getting more things than desired? When are the times when you spent some good moments with someone or maybe with yourself and you felt guilty? When are the times when you ate something interesting, some good food, and you felt guilty? When are the times when you sleep more and you felt guilty? When are the times when you said something to someone and you felt guilty? When are those times when you could not say someone to something and you felt guilty? Remember all those moments. And now I'm sure you realize it's nothing to do with the situation or the person. You love to feel guilty because this is your emotional pattern. Say, dear guilt, I'm sorry for blaming you, for coming to my life, for blaming you that because of someone else you have been created in my body and mind. Please forgive me. Thank you so much for coming into my life and showing that instead of being feeling guilty, I can feel grateful also. So I promise from next time, whenever I will feel guilty, I accept. I'll accept that it's my responsibility to feel you, their guilt, and I will release it by taking deep breathing. Take a deep breath and release the guilt from your body. Feel that a light of any color is now going out from your body as guilt. Take a deep inhalation, a white positive light. Let it come into your body. Let it fill your body with that positive white light energy. And now let's feel gratitude for all the things you have. Remember all those things you have for having which you feel guilty. Instead of feeling guilty, say, I promise I'll choose to feel gratitude from now onwards. And now say, thank you, universe, for all the thing I have, for all the extra sleep I had, for all the yummy food I had, for all those people whom I could not say anything, which I thought I should say something, for all those moments when I said something and felt guilty. Instead of feeling guilty, let's feel gratitude that at least I have the courage to speak whatever I want to speak. I have spoken. Feel all those moments whenever you felt guilty already, and let's replace all those guilt feeling with gratitude feeling. Wherever you couldn't do something and you felt guilty, see what you could do instead of what you couldn't. Whenever you did not get something and you felt guilty, see what did you get instead of what you didn't get, and feel gratitude for everything in your life. Whenever you did a mistake and felt guilty, feel gratitude that universe allowed you to do this mistake. Feel that gratitude towards universe that you are forgiven by universe even if you did that mistake. If you're feeling guilty of any of your decision, feel gratitude that at least you had the courage to take the decision. Let the white positive light fill your full body. Let it enter from the crown chakra. Slowly, slowly, the white positive light is going down through your third eye chakra, filling up every cell of your body. Now it is going down to your throat chakra. Now it is going down to your heart chakra. Let it flow to your solar plexus. Feel the energy of each cell. Let it flow to your sacral chakra. Let it flow to your root chakra. And now let it go to the universe again. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Now rub your palm. Put all the healing energy all over your body.